Sometimes the best way to help your community is by doing a thankless job such as cleaning a ditch. The disappointing fact in our society today, however, is that ditches are mainly used as garbage cans. This affects all of you, and not just you, but every living thing that may use that water source. And this is because garbage can leak into the water sources underground, which will pollute our waterways and contaminate the water supply. Not just for us, but any living creature that may use it. I'm credible to relay the following information to you guys because I have taken courses on this, I have studied this topic thoroughly, and I have talked to people who major in this field of study. Today, I will start by how cleaning ditches can help your community. Next, I will tell you some ways that you can get involved in cleaning ditches. And lastly, I will explain how important it is to clean ditches. So some ways you can help your community by cleaning ditches. So cleaning ditches is very rewarding mentally because it's very relaxing and calming, and you feel like you actually accomplished something once you're done with it. It also prevents leakage from happening, which falls into contaminated water. The water won't be contaminated since there won't be any leakage. But cleaning ditches doesn't really seem important in our society because there's not a lot of money in it. It's mainly done by volunteer work and community service. One sign of contaminated water is discoloration, or foul taste, and weird smells. Aside from those reasons, some symptoms are upset stomach, possible flu-like symptoms, and in rare cases, there can be a lethal bacteria, like the brain-eating amoeba. People depend on clean water for health. About 117 million Americans, 1 out of 3 people, get drinking water from some type of stream or other water supply that was vulnerable to pollution before the Clean Water Rule, EPA. The Clean Water Rule protects streams and wetlands that are scientifically shown to have the greatest impact on downstream water quality. And this also forms the foundation of our nation's water resources, EPA. Almost all the garbage that's in ditches will end up in streams, which will go into a river, which will merge with a lake. Corey Rubin, professor at RCTC College. So, next, I will tell you some ways to get involved in cleaning ditches. So, some consequences, or some solutions to the problem are getting people educated enough so they know not to litter. And this is justifiable because litter can contaminate entire water supplies, which is harmful not only to us, but any living creature that may use it. So some ways you could help get into this volunteer work are start a volunteer group that provides transportation, bags, and tools required to go out and clean ditches. You could meet at a specified place and transport the volunteers to the ditches and bring them back to the specified place once all the ditches were cleaned up. You could sort the litter in the ditches from like recyclables to the trash. And then once all that is done, you would have to bring it to a proper facility such as a waste to energy facility or just a regular recycling plant. Anything that will, do what is proper with the litter. Next, I will tell you the importance of cleaning ditches. Some consequences of letting ditches be unattended is that water supplies for communities and wildlife could be in jeopardy of being polluted. If actions are taken, however, we more than likely wouldn't have to worry so much about cleaning ditches because they would remain clean and no one would pollute or litter in them because they would be educated enough to realize we shouldn't be littering in these. Water and life go hand in hand. Water in the body not only acts as a solvent, but also as a temperature buffer. It's what makes life on Earth possible, and it provides nourishment to all living organisms, whether they be plants, animals, or microorganisms, life ionizers. So today, you have learned how cleaning ditches can help your community, some ways to get involved in cleaning ditches, and the importance of cleaning ditches. Dirty ditches is a very real problem in our society today. It's a problem that won't fix itself, so we will have to go out and do it. remember, this is your water. This is your water at risk. So let's make it better, not worse. And always remember, a little bit can go a long way. Thank you.